Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Becky. For those of you who are new here, thank you so much for joining me today. In today's video, I wanted to show you guys my pantry kitchen organization. I said that backwards. I wanted to show you guys my kitchen pantry organization, how I have everything set up, and the items that I use to organize my canned foods and dry goods and things like that. So let's take a look inside. So this is my kitchen pantry. It is kind of small, so I have to be very creative with the way that I organized it. So on this first shelf, I have these 3 baskets up here, and this is where I store my chips and tortilla chips, potato chips. We put at the very top so that the kids can't reach them, otherwise they will devour them all the first day that we bring them home. So we keep them up top so that they can't get to them very easily. And I got the teal baskets from Target at the dollar spot, and this pink one is from the Dollar Tree. And I do recommend, if you are looking for organizational things like baskets and paper organizers, things like that, I definitely recommend to go to the Dollar Tree because they're super inexpensive and you can find them in a variety of sizes in different colors. And I know during the springtime they release their spring colors, like they're more pastel looking colors. So if you are in need of those organizational items, go to the Dollar Tree. It will save you tons of money and they're pretty. So that's what we have on the first cupboard. The second shelf, I have these clear containers. These 2 I got from Walmart. This one with the gray lid, that is from the Dollar Tree, and I just put cereal in there. I put crackers and cookies for the kids, and as you can see, I'm running low on these little Annie's bunny crackers. And I usually when I get them from the store, I will go ahead and empty the box into the containers. That way they'll get eaten. I don't know, like for my family, if I keep them in clear containers like that, they are more likely to eat them. So I do empty out the snacks into the clear containers. That way the kids can see what's inside of them and they will eat them. And these pull-out little containers I got from Walmart, and in here I just keep little granola bars, and I have some extra cereal and extra crackers in here, so I need to refill these containers with this, and just more little snacks. So we have some oatmeal cookies and some peanuts and dried banana chips. And this is where I store my bread. So I was able to utilize the vertical space with this little organizer right here, and it just, you can see it just slides in, and that's where I keep all of the bread. I know I've seen these at Walmart, and I've also seen them at Burlington Coat Factory. And on this shelf I have my pasta, and this container is also from the Dollar Tree, as well as this container. This white container I got from Walmart. So I have all of my pasta in there, and in this middle container I just keep condiments like Nutella, peanut butter, extra mustard, extra ketchup, so those go there. And in this container I have some more dry goods. So I have cranberries, I have some more granola stuff, and I have croutons in here because we really like to eat salad and my kids love the crunchy stuff. So I have a couple of bags in there. And on this shelf, again, I got these white containers from Walmart, and this one is from the Dollar Tree. And on this side I just have canned goods like beans, tomatoes, things like that. And in here I just have vegetable broth, syrup, I have some rice milk back there, and in this container I keep my potatoes. And on the last shelf I just have extra grocery bags, and we usually save these because my husband uses these for work. And here I just have sandwich baggies and snack baggies, things like that, and little lunch notes that I like to give my kids. In here I just have some foil paper and lunch bags, and I also keep my trash bags in there as well. And at the very bottom on the floor, I keep extra cleaning products like vinegar, and we have our dog food down there as well. And like I said, guys, all of these things were either purchased from the Target Dollar Spot, Walmart, or the Dollar Tree. I did want to mention, being organized or organizing an area in your house does not have to be pricey at all. You can find these items super inexpensive at the Dollar Tree, Walmart, places like that. So don't spend a bunch of money or think that you have to spend a bunch of money just to organize an area in your home. It doesn't have to cost you a lot. And a lot of times too, what I'll do is go shopping around my house, just look around my house to see if there's any items that I can use to help me organize an area better. And if I can't find those items, then like I said, I'll go to one of those 3 stores that I mentioned. So that is how I organize my kitchen pantry. So I hope that you guys enjoyed this video and that you were able to find some tips or inspiration for organizing your kitchen pantry. Like I said, if there's any other areas in my kitchen that you'd like to see how I organize, let me know in the comments down below, and I would be more than happy to do a video on that and show you guys a little bit more in my cupboards and the rest of my cabinets around the kitchen. So like I said, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and don't forget to give me a thumbs up if you like this video, and I can't wait to see you guys on the next one. Bye!